do you guys want an increase on your Apex? Well, I got the solution for you. So I'm going to show you guys how to get some better FPS in Apex. So you may not get the greatest in performance depending on your graphics card, but I mean mine runs better without the recording, but usually it works pretty well. So before I show you guys how to do this, I just want to make a disclaimer that it doesn't work with all PCs, but it works for current PCs. But before we get into this, I will show you the steps how to do it. Not hard. And if you just follow the steps correctly, you'll have a smooth Apex gameplay on the Ultra HD graphics card. Or if you have another graphics card like an Iris or something. But other than that, let's get into the video. Okay guys, I may be in the menu right now, but this is not what you need to do. If you're trying to do this, like go in the settings and trying to do it that way, it's not going to work that way, because every time you tweak this stuff, it's not going to work. So my solution to fix this is, yeah, it says I'm on this resolution. I'm not. Because you can see this is all cranked down right here. I'm about to show you a trick to fix this. So first of all, close your Apex. Okay, close your Apex. It's going to take me a minute to close my Apex, so give me a minute, okay. Alright. Go to your folder. Let me just move it to my desktop. Okay. Go to your stuff like this. Go to users, your name, save games, respawn, Apex, and then local. And then you should see a video config folder. Okay? There's a lot of things you need to change in here. So first of all, you want to change this from 1 to 0. And then this will be on 1. You want to change that to 0. Not that. You want to change to 0. And then this is your switch scale. You normally have a default to 6. You want to change that to 2. Not 62. 2. You want to change it to 2. And then don't mess with any of these files if you don't know what you're doing. Okay? And then you should see like logging, fog. It should be all disabled by default. So, and then probably everything else is good to go. Just now you have to change this stuff right here. So this is your resolution right here, one of them. Normally by default you can't change all of them. Okay? There's a certain requirement that you need to have the minimum. You need a minimum requirement to pass by this video config for changing the resolution. There's no download or anything, so don't worry about that. So what you want to do is you'll see 768 and then 640. So what you want to do here is you want to name this obviously 768. And then depending on the graphics card, if you want something low, you want 640. Don't want that. You want a little bit higher, you could go to 640. Or 660, my bad. But I'm going to keep it on 640. Do the same thing here, right here, 768, 640. And if you can't save, like if it's like this and you try to save it, and then you get it set to read only, that's not a problem. You just go to your video config and you turn off read only, then save, and then hit OK. And then turn this back on. Because here's the thing. You don't turn that on, Apex is gonna overwrite those settings and you're not gonna have your settings anymore. But yeah. So that's how to fix Apex. Yeah, that's how to fix Apex Legends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and like for more. My name's Ian Harding. Peace out.